issue a final order.
You are radicalizing these young people. In fact, that is already a serious challenge to the country. You don't want to terrorize many young people when they are at the end of the day released, having gone through all that. You can imagine what will be going on in their minds. We are saying, look, let the state, do its work properly and stop this issue of terrorizing young people who are just asking for their rights.
This is a concern because when we talk about anti-terror, it is funded by the US government, and we're seeing resources being utilized by the state to terrorize young people. Our constitution is very clear. Protesting is within our rights to do that. But when you criminalize democracy, what you have in front of you is people who have refused to let go and continue to defend our constitution.
We all need to hold the government accountable. It's not an issue of just young people. We have some of the people who are in court who are 61 years. They were caught, arrested and charged as maandamano people. We have students who are sitting exams this year. They're refusing to go to school because everyone is calling them a terrorist.